Yeah, yes, Muskan, let's start.
Hello.
Yeah, yes, Muskan.
Okay, okay, sir. Like, uh, hello. Good evening. Like, I'm Muskan Suman. I'm doing my MTech in Robotics and Mobility System in IIT Jodhpur. Uh, okay. In like IIT sorry, sir. Like, it's collab. Can I start again?
Yeah, yeah, no problem. You continue from there. It's fine.
Okay. So, like, you are recording or like it's
No
session?
problem.
Like, I'm
It's
asking.
streaming on YouTube, not an issue.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, please continue.
Okay. So robotics and mobility system comes under the interdisciplinary department of IIT Jodhpur. In this, we can see the three types of specialization: autonomous mobile robot, unmanned aerial vehicle, and electric vehicles. In autonomous mobile robot, we can study like a computer vision, artificial intelligence, and mobile robot kind of subjects. It is very vast area. Like in first semester, you will study the robotics for this, and for unmanned aerial vehicle, we all are studied like flight mechanics and navigation system and control, and electric vehicle like special drives and some subjects like electrical design subjects will study under this. In first semester only the three specializations, some basic you'll study, and after that first semester you have to choose that one specialization from that. So this is the like major opportunity to take your interested subject in front. Like if you are interested in like something non core things, you can choose AMR. If you are interested in and like flight mechanics and aerodynamic kind of thing, you can choose unmanned aerial vehicles. And if you want to go with like electric vehicle, you can choose this. And if you don't want to choose that specialization here, you can go with the plain MTech courses also. Like huge like opportunity to take your like interested things in front. And this is the like this is kind of you can switch in this like non-core domain also. Here you will study like many technologies kind of things like artificial intelligence, computer vision, machine learning, deep learning, these things on the boom. So like come to the next thing. Okay. So here you can get the admission in like three domains. First is assistantships. This you can go on the COPE. Then you will fill the form with assistantship. With a good gate score, you can get the seat. And without assistantship is the criteria. Here you don't need to go on a COPE. You just need to fill the form. They will call for an interview, and then you come for the interview. When you cross the when you clear the interview, you will get the call for here. And once is the like sponsored category. Okay, so in sponsored category you come here and give the exam for particular subjects, and then interview, then you'll get the seat. And it's like include some around 18 seats. Like now there is only 6 students from assistantship. Sponsorship is 6 students.
One doubt,
So
Muskan.
like
For sponsorship,
yes sir.
is it gate mandatory or gate is not mandatory for sponsor?
Sir, in assistantship without assistantship sir,
No, sponsored.
sponsored, so gate is not mandatory here. You just need to fill like
And
form. Then
sponsored means it's a industry sponsored or self sponsorship in terms of fee.
yeah, it's a self sponsored sir.
Okay, got it. Yeah, please continue. Yeah,
Yeah.
thanks for this update. Because yeah.
Yes sir. And like some seat they reserve for assistantships like on COPE, because these things like every year it's vary like. And without assistantship seats are last year it's 4 seats, and sponsored seat around like 10. Then 7 students are eligible for this, they got the seat, and assistantship from 6 students are here. and then come to prerequisite for this specialization. So here is like this completely interdisciplinary courses. Here many students are eligible for this course, like mechanical, aeronautical, aerospace, electrical, CSE background students are also eligible for this. So there is lots of competitions here to take this, but I can tell you the like some basic, if you know, you can cover the course properly, like MATLAB, Python, C programming, because you will learn some part of electronics, some part of computer vision, like AI, this some like neat coding you can learn from basics. But if you know already, you can focus on the theory parts and you can cover early. Okay. Now, here is the like huge lab facilities are available for us in IIT Jodhpur. Like robotics lab, here you can learn like many practicals. Like in first semester, you will get this lab if you take admission here. And UAV lab, it's completely hands-on lab. One is a faculty from IIT Kanpur, Professor Venkateshan. Like I don't know, you guys know or not, but he has established this lab here. Completely, he's taking this subject, and once is like mobility lab and fundamental of machine learning lab, embedded lab, and tinkering lab. This all for this course curriculum. And one is like innovation hub is I have drusty is belongs to like DRDO lab. Like here you can get like projects from DRDO. This projects will be sponsored and DRDO will call you for an internship. They will train you there for their projects, and you can get much better project and sponsored project from there if you like so much interested in that projects. And once a robotics society, this is like a good society kind of robotics type of work on hardware you will get to know, and you can go in other IITs to represent your college if you like really interested. In academic activities, it's like there is like industrial day and conferences are also they're like this year 2 and 3 conferences are covered, and next year is like big robotics conferences, national conferences will be happening in 2025, and hackathon quizzes and departmental activities also, like every like month and every semester it will happen. Technical fests also there, like there is a Prometheus technical fest and a programming club. It helped to like improve your programming. They will give assignment you need to complete. If you join in summer, it will be good. And like non academic activities, like many like Ignis is like cultural fest here, Prometheus technical fest, Aftab and Virtus. It's like a sports festival and so many fests. Thank you. That's all.
Thank you for your insight, Muskan.
Yes, sir.
So, how is life at Jodhpur? Because Jodhpur is my native, and we are Marwadi people, famous for hospitality. But your college is too far from city. So,
Yes, sir.
how is your, life in Jodhpur? So, which place you visit for purchasing, Sardarpura, or sometime do you go for Jodhpur purchasing, or you go Ghanta?
Uh,
Did you
yes,
went
sir.
to
I
Ghantagar?
visited the Ghantagar. Yes, sir.
Or
Ghantagar and Sardarpura I visited.
Misri Lal
Ah,
Lassi, did
yes.
you? Okay, and
Yeah,
then
sir. I heard, but I didn't go there.
okay, so did you visit Mehrangarh Fort, Umaid Bhawan Palace, Mandor Garden?
Yes, sir.
So that nearby that OTC is there, na? One fun world kind of thing that
Oh,
have you
sir. I
guys
didn't
visited?
visit it. No, sir.
Okay, okay,
Next time, sure,
fine.
sir.
Okay, so then do you eat mirchi bada, samosa, kachoris? All are there in Jodhpur too much, right?
Yes, sir.
In
Yes.
canteen, what kind of food they serve? Do they serve proper meals or not?
So like there is like good mess facilities and canteen is also good, and there is like cafe Shamiana is also there.
Okay, but
Like,
chapati and all they do serve well because when I was in IIT Madras, I was very unhappy the kind of mess they had because I'm from
oh.
Jodhpur and we eat only chapatis, don't eat rice.
Sir, here
All
food is good, sir.
it's good. They give
As
proper.
compared to South colleges, this is in North, so food is good. Compare.
Okay, okay. And Jodhpur is also cheaper, in all the things, and the connectivity is also very easy, right? In airport, you just
Yes, sir.
come out
Yes, sir.
in 2 minutes, and I see from airport, I reach my house in 10-15 minutes in Jodhpur.
Yes, sir.
But
It's
in
too
Bangalore,
close.
I need to go for 2 hours to airport and then again. I really like my Jodhpur life. Okay.
Sir, but
So
here is too hot.
it's too hot now, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but hostels they have built very nicely, right? Special
Yes, sir.
some
Hostel. Yeah.
coolness they have maintained, some technology, right? They have used. I heard I never visited actually. Recently, I came
Sir,
Jodhpur.
hostels.
Yeah,
Yes,
how
sir.
hostel? Good, na? Uh,
Yeah, sir, hostel facility is too good because they made hostel like too isolated. Like if you when you enter the room now, you will not feel like too hot, and there is a
oh,
individual rooms and AC also.
oh, AC also they are giving. Wow,
Yes, sir.
that's like
This is
good.
like too good facility according to IIT because in many IIT, if you see na MTech student, there is like joint rooms, no
Yes,
AC,
yes.
only cooler and
No, no.
wo.
In IIT Madras, I got individual room, but IIT
Okay.
Madras na big building room like no
Yes,
air
sir.
ventilation. Those things would be problematic in new hostels. Big building,
Yeah.
no light, no ventilation kind of. But IIT Jodhpur got a big campus also. It's too big
Yes.
also, right? Actually, recently
Yes.
I came. I think last month only, March 11th, I was in Jodhpur. So one of my relative, you can say my nephew only, he want to prepare for JE. He study in like
Okay.
KV kind of school there. So I told once you go IIT Jodhpur visit, then you'll feel why you should prepare for JE. So I told him next
Yes,
time
sir.
when I come now, I will take you to IIT Jodhpur. My students are there. So he told, "Oh,
Yes, sir,
okay.
sure, sir.
Yeah, yeah, surely.
Always
Once like
welcome, sir.
I think this year maybe in August or sometime. Once I visit, na surely I'll come to campus. Do you know Gargi Tela? She's also from
Yes, sir.
IGCC,
She is. Yes, sir. She is
space technology.
staying in front of my room. She
Oh,
is
good.
also in my. She is doing PhD technology.
Okay, good. So you covered most of the things. So one more thing, like placement part, like any particular companies, like when I visited the long back IIT Jodhpur website, like they have good collaborations with companies like NCS and all.
Yes, sir.
So are they coming in campus placements? Like
Like
NCS, you might be
here
knowing,
is
right?
like.
NCS, yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah, placement cell are good, sir. Actually, they are doing too hard to get placed students because this time recessions is there, right?
Yeah, yeah. Every college have issues this time. Yes, yes.
So like I'm also like placement representative here. So
Okay.
I also like seen like many like companies like but the like major issue is recession this year, but placement are
But
good.
you guys are lucky bit because number of seats are less in your department or in your course. But there are many courses where number of seats are too high, so placement becomes
Yes,
very competitive. So
yes, sir.
that's where I suggest nowadays where less number of seats are there, you can choose because all options are good, all IITs are good, and now you
Yes, sir.
yourself can tell, right? IIT Jodhpur, because Jodhpur is not a small big city like many other tier 2 city.
Yes,
We
sir.
are a small city, historical city, but now AMC is there, IIT Jodhpur, NLU is also there. You might have seen in the same road nearby National Law University. That is
Yes, sir.
also
Yes, sir.
very
Yes, sir.
famous from Jodhpur.
Yes, sir. Sir,
So
actually
thank you, and
placements.
yeah, please.
Sir, actually placements are good, but this branch, like in like interdisciplinary branch, right? So here you can
Mhm.
get like many opportunities to get in companies. Like have the varieties of choosing the
Yes,
job here.
yes, because you learn many different things like
Yes, sir.
latest AI, ML, and other stuffs. With this,
Yes,
UAV
sir.
is also there, robotics is also there, electrical
Yes,
vehicle
sir.
is also there. So that's good, good, yeah. And a lot of control
Yes.
related requirements are there nowadays. Automated control systems everywhere,
Yes, sir.
in every industry, automated control systems and these stuffs are important.
Yes, sir. So
Good.
like I'm working on computer vision kind of thing, so
Okay,
I
computer
switched to
design.
this domain.
Good, good. So fine. So one more question was like, I'm very happy. I was even not aware these self-sponsored seats and non-assistant seats are so there. So those who have low gate score, and if they are looking for this kind of good course, they can
Yes,
choose.
sir.
That's a good information in a brief way. So thank you, Muskan, for spending your
Yes, sir.
valuable time with IGC, and hopefully sometime catch you guys in Jodhpur, which is my I actually studied in Jodhpur till my 12th.
Yes, sir.
So you know and also my family. I mean, most of people stay there only, so it's very close to my heart. Where you
Yes, sir.
born and brought up, right? That always you love to be
Yes,
there.
sir.
Yeah, and I'm very happy. Like so many good institutes are there in our city. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So we'll
Thank you,
wind
sir.
up. Yeah. Thank you. Bye. Bye.
Yeah.